Yeah, so Uber, they give something good, they always take it away. This is something new. I got this from 3 drivers. This happened to me too. During a trip, while the app is on, you cannot willy-nilly not go change your preferences. See, you get this message while the app is on. Now, you can turn the app off, change the preferences, go back online again. But while you're online, the app is not allowing you to change preferences now. Now, this is in LA, couple other cities. I don't know if you guys are experiencing this. Maybe it's not important to you, but if you're driving on a lot of different platforms, like Kyle with Zoom is, which is this is the one in the middle. Comfort, Connect, Deliveries, Uber Comfort Electric, Uber X, Uber Green, Uber X Share, and he's on Lyft Lux, obviously. That's not happening. That's not the issue. The issue is with Uber. Uber is, putting that warning up there. Filtering trips based on preference. Something went wrong. Yeah, did something go wrong? You took it away. You whatever. So a lot of people are getting this. If you guys are getting this, please drop me a note and say that, yeah. Now, it's not a killer. It could be a killer unless, like, you're going into an area that you just maybe in a high-end area, you only want to do high-end trips. Uber Comfort Electric, maybe only. You don't want to do Uber X. You won't do it. And on the left one, you remember good old Roxy, ref one? Oh. That's Roxy's from Nashville. That's her thing.
Oh, boy.
It goes busy. Do you see where it says busy on Uber X? It won't let her switch because Uber is telling her Uber X is busy. You cannot switch to Comfort now. She's driving the Tesla rental. She goes, what kind of bullshit is this? I'm like, yeah, this is the Uber kind of bullshit because you used to have the choice, switch anytime you want. It's our preference. That's why they're there. Well, guess what? You can't do it. So,
well, not only that, that's the Uber side of things, but Lyft is also starting to do something now too.
Yeah, God bless Lyft. They gotta, even on the bad, they gotta follow Uber. Okay, we talked about this. I'm gonna do an article about this. I use it. I love it. Lyft. Why Lyft? Why? Why? We just praised you last week saying your area filter is so much better than Uber's.
Absolutely.
Why? Yeah, why? Oh, yeah. Lyft goes.
Well,
by the way, they released it to everybody now. LA, everywhere. Except that when I first had it about 6 months ago, maybe 5 months ago, and I tested it, we put that up. I loved it. By far superior to Uber's area preference. Lyft is called area filter. Guess what? It had no timer on it. I could be in that area of my choosing between 5 miles and 30 miles forever, literally. Guess what? Now that they released it to everybody, there's a time limit on it. Ooh. How do you like that, Chris? Yeah.
And after a
90-minute time limit in some places 2 hours, some places 1 hour, some places 90 minutes. But this one I got from Charleston. So it goes, when you stay within the area filter, you'll now see a time limit. Really? Why? Why, Lyft? Why? Oh, it's good for the driver. Oh, is that why? Okay, there you go.
Yeah, no, I think what needs to happen is if a driver chooses to stay in that area, that's something that they should be allowed to be able to do. It's their business again, remember? They're independent contractors. They can choose. But then Lyft or Uber will say, oh, but you can see where you're going with upfront earnings. That's not the point. Why would you send me a request where you're going to waste time for that rider trying to get paired with a driver and that driver doesn't want to go beyond a certain distance for whatever reason? Let's say they want to stay close to home because something's going on at home, but they still want to go out there and make money. Yeah. Why would you punish the driver for that? Stop doing this, Lyft.
No, they do it. This has been the trend for 12 years, Chris.
Oh, yeah.
It drives me fucking crazy, bro.
And then you take it back.
Yeah. He goes, hey, look at this. Come get it. Oh, never mind. I'm like, dude, we're not children, man. Stop treating us like goddamn mouse and children, man. This was a wonderful idea, Lyft. I couldn't give you more praise. Now look at it. You just shit on it. I'm like, okay, whatever. This is my brain will explode one of these days because, all this cat and mouse games we need to play, carrot and stick. If you do this, I give you this. Honestly, sometimes, Chris, when I'm thinking about this, I go, Department of Labor, come down and slap these guys so hard.
Come on, FCC.
Go, you know what?
Where you at?
Yeah, bro.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself. Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.